Let's start this lesson by saying congratulations on learning all of the main parts and getting your first song under your belt. Now the important thing is being able to read this when it's written down. This is so that if you do forget something or you want to learn something new that there isn't available on this site, you can have a look at the tab, which is what it's called, and relearn the song from that. Now tab is a very simplified form of music that doesn't tell you timing. Another reason why you're going to have to listen to songs regularly to become familiar with them before learning them on the guitar. Unless you want to go down the route of learning score, which is a more classically trained form of music that most guitarists don't bother with and is something that I don't cover on this academy. So let's have a look at a piece of tab now. Tab. So when we're looking at this tab, it's a bit weird. It's kind of like the strings are flipped upside down. We have our 6th string at the bottom on the image, even though it's physically at the top when we're holding a guitar. This is just because sheet music represents the lowest pitches at the bottom, so the tab kind of followed that of going with the lowest pitch string at the bottom as well. So these 6 lines represent our 6 strings, and on these 6 strings you will see numbers, and they refer to which fret on that string we're going to play. So if you look in the first bar, that first area, you can see all 6 lines, and the first thing we come up is a 0 on the 5th line. So that's a 0 on our 5th string, aka playing our 5th string open, 0 fret, no fingers. Again, you can see straight after that there's another 0, so that means that we're going to play that twice. Then when we look across into the next bar, you can see that we've changed line for the numbers and we have a 1 now on our 6th string. Again, tab's upside down, so our 6th string is at the bottom in the tab, that's the one at the top when we're holding a guitar. So again, we've got 2 1s after each other, so we're going to play those twice. If you haven't already figured this out, the tab we're looking at is for the Ninja Anthem, the song that we've just played. So the next bar, we then move up to the 3rd fret, but on that same line, because it's on the same string. And then we move across. So remember, we don't read this like we would read a book down through the strings. We read this as a timeline, going from the start through the tab, all at the same time. So it's basically the first number we come in when we're going from left to right. Doesn't matter which line it's on, the first number from left to right is the first thing we read. The next number going from left to right is the second thing we read. And from there we look at which string it's on and the number representing the fret. So let's do one more playthrough of the Ninja Anthem now with the tab on the screen so you can see the tab as we're playing.